better not do that.
Come on!
Guys, the floor is lava.
Fun, yeah.
Ah!
You.
Do not teabag me. Guys, check out my best friend's channel, Cover Cam, and my best friend's. His channel's name. Humphrey Got Action. And let's check out the 2 channels. Oh man, I gotta climb across that bar with one hand. One hand. You got this? I can do it. Smash like button. Did you do it? Oh, thank you. Who the heck is she? Who is she? Pull up in that driveway. Oh, look at this mess up. Yep, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to fall, break my neck, and die in the lava. Guys, come on! Do not die in the lava.
I still got Wi-Fi. As long as I got it, I'm okay.
I got Wi-Fi too. Ah. Cords. Oh, shoot. We gotta get over there. That better not be good. Oh, shoot, guys. I don't think I can do this. They can't be lava-proof, Hayden. And when I get to that, we're done with the challenge. Yeah. 4 days! No, I don't. 4 days! Guys, I'm going to sit here, or we will sit here. It's not going to be straight. Click back in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I made it from there to here.
I'm on the app.
I found it! Ah! It's the motherfucking Snoop Dogg! Smoke weed everywhere. It's the motherfucking Snoop Dogg! Can't say with me. Dude, can't say with me. Ah! So we'll just go from here to the trampoline over there. So 3, 2, 1, and guys, how? I'm rocking. I'm from there all the way to here. Ah! Okay, I'm going to go disappear from here back to there. It's 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, and guys, I made it. He shot me.
Boy, please, I'll kill you with. You know how people say they're killer apps?
Yeah.
Shoot from the air! That's right. This is a killer app. Hey! I know you can use the gun app for your safety too.
I'm going to do a safety roll. I did it! It's going to shoot us. Parkour!
Oh.
We got to parkour our way out, guys. Go jump for. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Ow! I just hit my head.
Shoot from the air.
Guys, it just hit my head on that pole.
Guys, shoot from the air. Go, go.
So guys, I'm gonna end the video in a second. Let me show you the slimes I got. So here are the slimes I got. So this is Todd slime. This is Dawn dish soap slime. And this is the baking soda and contact solution glue slime. That one, I don't like that one good. I like this one out the most because it's really stretchy. This one, give it 5. This one I'd give it 10. This one I'd give a 1. But y'all, slime and slime. So, bye guys.
I love my slime that Adam made.